Ranveer Singh. Welcome to EP. First of all, from power-packed, strong trailer to this soulful song. How does it feel?
ये गाना अरिजीत सिंह जी ने गाया. Any Arijit fans in the house?
Yeah!
अगर मैं गा सकता तो मैं गा भी लेता. अब आए हैं, स्टेज है, माइक है, कुछ तो करना चाहिए जय भाई.
बिल्कुल.
तू अगर मेरी.
आहा.
नवाज भाई आप ताली नहीं बजा रहे. नवाज भाई आपको मेरी गायकी अच्छी नहीं लगी. 2 thumbs up. You are partial to me because I know you love me extra. आपको पता है नवाज जी ने मुझे ट्रेन किया था as an actor.
Really?
Back in the day, but a story for another day. I won't waste the time of the prestigious gathering here. Very, very thrilled, ma'am, sir, and everybody here.
I have
that...
a question for you,
हाँ,
Ranveer.
मैं खत्म कर लूँ, मैम.
कर ले.
मैं अब भी शुरू किया मैम. खैर, मैं इतना ही बोलना चाह रहा था जय भाई कि I am thrilled, really thrilled with the response to the teaser and then the trailer. Of course, this is another flavor. ये अलग रस है. But a really lovely, soulful song from the depths of Arijit Singh's heart. A great artist, and we're very honored to have him on the album. I'm very happy to be here and very happy that we're able to launch this on the IFFI stage. So thank you for having me.
Lovely.
Put your hands together a little bit louder for Ranveer Singh, please. Are you all waiting for Dhurandhar? Yes? The response is outstanding. It's lit up. So what is the reason for that, you think?
I think, ma'am, I've been working 15 years. I think this is truly a rare instance where there's been such an overwhelming response to the promotional material. I think it's got to do with the fact that the material kind of breaks the pattern. It's unique in its structure, doesn't follow the usual pattern of a teaser or a trailer. So it's a bit disruptive, clutter-breaking, and I guess that's what's got the attention of everyone. And I'm very grateful.
Absolutely, but you always catch attention, even if your hair is competing with that of the heroines, though. I was wondering whose hair to look at, who had a bigger hair budget.
50% मेरा था और 50% extension था.
Thank you so much, Ranveer, for being here.
So Dhurandhar is one of the biggest release which is going to be happening in India.
जी.
How does it feel to present it in IFFI 2025?
I am thrilled to be here. This is my second time here. I had come here and performed once on this very stage. Sawan Saab, if you remember, we had a good time even back then. I think Hema ji was in the crowd at that time. It was a great honor for me to be performing in front of my screen idols, such as Hema ji. Great honor for me to be in the presence of this august company, Nawaz ji, Rakesh sir. Is that Shekhar Kapoor himself? Hello, sir. Hello, my dear man. It's good to see you. Jaju Saab, Rishabh. Everybody, a huge thundering round of applause for Rishabh's performance in Kantara 2.
Absolutely. Big fan, sir.
I saw that in the theaters, Rishabh. It was an outstanding performance, especially when the female ghost gets inside your body. That performance, that one shot. Did you see Kantara, sir? You saw it? What shot that he gave? That one. Anybody here want to see me in Kantara 3? Tell this guy. Tell him. Tell him. Rishabh, that was outstanding. Very proud of everything that you're doing for Indian cinema. And I can't wait for your collaboration with Prasant Verma. We're all very excited for that. And last but certainly not the least, just an absolute honor to be in the presence of the great man himself, the biggest superstar of all time. It's an honor to simply be in your presence, sir. And it's a thrill to be here. Look at this crowd. Look at this grand and glorious occasion. I'm really happy to be here. Very excited to be presenting. I wish we could have shown the trailer and the teaser over here, but it's a bit bloody, it's a bit violent, so we showed you the love song instead. I hope you liked it, and I hope that you will all watch the movie on December 5th. The thing is, our filmmaker, Ditya Dhar, he made Uri, the Surgical Strike. I don't know, has anybody seen Uri, the Surgical Strike? Yes. Did you like it? Okay, the same director, this is his second movie, and his intention was to take an Indian movie to the world. You know, like he said at our trailer launch, China had its moment with Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Korea had its moment with Parasite. And we hope that this will be counted as one of the great installments within this genre. We really think and believe in our hearts that this is India's moment on the global stage in every aspect. You know, education, tech, innovation, infrastructure, just about everything. And we as part of Indian cinema want even cinema to have its moment on the global stage. We have amongst us the great Shekhar Kapoor, who has made us proud on the world stage time and time and time again. So we really love all the love and respect for everything that you've done for Indian cinema. I cannot be mentioning India to the world without mentioning Mr. Kapoor himself. And really, with full intention and all heart, blood, sweat and tears, we've made this movie. I hope everybody goes and has a great time watching what is a very complex story, but with a whole lot of visual spectacle. We realized post-COVID that if you want to drive people to the theaters, you have to promise them a big visual spectacle. So that's been the attempt. It's a large canvas. It's a very intriguing tale. And I'm very, very proud to be presenting it to the world on December 5th.
December 5th is the release date. So, how many of you are going to watch Dhurandhar? December 5th.
Woo!
All right.
Thank you so much, Ranveer. Thank you for sharing your insights and for bringing Dhurandhar to IFFI 2025.
Thank you,
Once
Tiska.
again,
Thank you, ma'am.
for Ranveer Singh.
Let's hear it for Ranveer Singh, guys. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye.
I'm a king, but I